Another one just like the last one I'm on. I don't know what people do. Had my eye on them 100%. Ah, you shouldn't go over there and get in that lane just in case. I thought, nah, I clearly see you. And so I get over there, and what does he do? He starts pulling out and then hits the brake. Might have just been like a readjustment, you know, but still. They don't know. I've been hit before. People have pulled out in front of me just like that. I've been hit. I was going 45 miles an hour and a guy decided to pull out in front of me. Yeah. So, I'm pretty extra alert. Can't believe I'm riding the good girl again. Awesome. I haven't rode for probably over a month. Other than a few little short ditties around my house. That's a big line. Big line already.
Yeah, so right up ahead here, it'll be just a minute, we'll be on this freeway. And this is the on-ramp, and man, I just can't but help twist that throttle a little bit. I mean, I usually pull the front end up here a little, just a little safe spot, have some fun. When you hear those high RPMs though, you want to just keep on getting it. So I gotta be careful just how much of that I do. Whew, lower it down. The Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel coming up here. Yeah, another mile or so into the water. Enjoy.
Yeah, you're with the Motorbomb Virginia channel. In case you didn't know, of course you did. You saw that when you tuned in, right? You tuned. You had to turn the little knob, go this way and that way, and switch every other way. Yeah, I know, it's like old school, but it's worth the time to take the tune. Yeah, I am 100% feeling great about how the R1 is running. Could be just getting some random bad fuel. I gotta quit fueling up at that one place. And possibly getting the water down. Freaking fuel, who knows? I don't know. I'm hoping that's what it is. But here's where I installed out last time. A long time ago. And she kapooted out on me. This ramp. I could come right out and look. Way around. So much construction and crap in the way. Can't trust some of these off ramps, on ramps. Even when you're on the off ramp, you gotta make a wonderful stop. You can't see around stuff. Like the one I have to take back here. Where they have it set up sometimes, you have to pull part way out into the road. Which you got that section blocked, so it ain't like you pull out into an open road. But yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do out here. Just about to work. Real fast little R1 Caboose. Like wants to rip. I mean rip! No, I want to rip. Bike will do what you ask it to do. Just because she's got the capability to rip doesn't mean she wants to rip. Can't I'd be throwing the blame. Perfect, flawless ride. Love it. Gotta watch the back alley boogie. Make sure we're lots of homes, you know, and driveways. I don't see kids out here playing ever. Kids don't come outside and play no more. Look at the float right there. A Suzuki. An old Suzuki. Don't forget your gloves. That's what I do.
Extra big shout out to Old Mac for making that killer music. Yeah, so if you did like what you watched today, it was kind of a fun video, right? Hit that thumbs up on the video, and if you're new to the channel, consider a subscribe. Yeah, help the old Motobomb channel grow. Thanks for watching. We shall see you soon. Goodbye.